Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys 4 super cute kurti sets that are perfect for Durga Puja, Navratri, whatever you're looking Indian wear for. These are all very affordable and super adorable, and they're all very comfortable, made up of cotton. So if you're looking for kurti sets which are not super heavy but very comfortable and great for the heat and humidity, these are for that purpose, and they are very comfortable and very festive appropriate as well. So if you're looking for kurti sets under rupees 1500, this is the video for you. So if you're interested, let's get into the video. And before we get into the video, I have to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular video, and if you like my videos in general, consider subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Starting off with this adorable white kurti set. This has to be my favorite, and I'm totally gonna keep this and wear it out for special occasions, for regular wear, whatever I feel like. I absolutely love the roses printed on it. The color looks so good. It's such a beautiful pink. And even though it's not as comfortable as the first three, since it's not made up of wholly cotton, it's quite comfortable. It's pretty airy and breathable and not itchy at all. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. I absolutely love the look of it. It also has a little bit of sequin work around the neck, which looks super adorable. I love the lace that it has around the sleeves, on the end of the trousers, and the little laces that are present on the four ends of the dupatta. This is another piece that can be styled in multiple different ways. You can style it up with good jewelry and bags, or style it down with just simple accessories and wear it however and wherever you please. At the price, it's a really good catch, and I'm totally going to keep this one. Next up is this Anarkali set. This is another set that you can style for special occasions, for festive wear, or you can style down for daily wear. I love the print, the color scheme, the combo and everything. The waist has one side flat and the other side elastic. I love the details around the neck and on the sleeves. It has a little bit of gota work. The end of the trousers have a little bit of gota work on them as well, and that adds a lot of charm to it. This is made up of 100% cotton as well, so it's very comfortable, very soft and smooth on the skin, not itchy at all. Also, I got this one in a size medium as well, and it fits me perfectly. At the price, it's a really good set, which I really love, so I'm going to be keeping this one. Next up is another kurti that is perfect for both festive wear or regular wear. You can style it up with heavy jewelry or style it down with smaller jewelry for daily wear. I love the color of this one. The maroon color is so good, and so is the print. Absolutely gorgeous, very feminine. This one is made up of 100% cotton as well, and it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, very soft and smooth on the skin. The trousers are Patiala trousers, and I love Patiala suit sets. They look so cute. The waist has elastic all over and looks very good. At the price, it's a super cute kurti set that can be styled in multiple different ways, styling up or down however you please. I'm going to be keeping this one. Last but not the least is this beautiful pink kurti set. I love the color this one has. It's such a beautiful color. It is so perfect for special occasions as well as for everyday wear. With just mere jewelry, you can style it up for festive wear, or you can style it down with smaller jewelry for regular wear. It's made up of 100% cotton and is very comfortable, airy and breathable, very soft and smooth on the skin. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. I love the print, I love the details it has. It has a little bit of an extra fabric on the sides with buttons in it. It looks pretty unique, but it's not something that fits my body or my style very well. Overall, the kurti is good at the price point, but I don't really need this one, so I'm going to be returning it. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestions or requests, comment that down below and I'll try to make a video on that. And I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.